Hi everybody, it's your buddy Brad here. Today I am going to be talking about the circle split variation. As of right now, it is only available in Jwildfire 3.10, the early preview, which you can follow the link on the Jwildfire Artists group. It's part of the pinned post. Now keep in mind this version is a early uh, pre-beta of 3.10, so it is um, it does have some bugs in it, so but it's only available in this version right now. So we're going to take a look at the circle split variation here using the good old color grid. Click on circle split, and it only has two variables here, the radius and the split. So if we look at the radius first, you can see it controls how big the circle part is, which is the open part here. And the split part is the difference between here and here. So if we lower this, you'll see it makes the opening, the split part, narrower. And we can actually even go into negative values where it overlaps onto itself. So if I increase this again here, and also another way of seeing how variations work is we have this button here which displays and hides the variation effect. So if you click on it, you can see it does this, shows the same thing as the color grid. It has the outside here, and even though there's a few lines here, that's what's pushing in and out between the the inner circle and outer. And the great thing about this is it works on any variation. So, if you go to, let's try Julian, you can see how it's reacting by itself right there. One of the ways I've found that it can be useful, uh, the circle split can be useful, is with a Julian. And if you set it as a second variation under it, yeah, circle crop. Nope, not circle crop, circle split. There we go. Zoom in, increase this some. You can see it gives a pretty kind of cool effect here with the Julians by controlling the radius. And you can also take circle split and it actually acts as a linear to some extent. Because if you look at a linear basically it acts as a square, whereas the circle split, you can see here, acts also as a square, but it just adds a space in it. So it can actually, I can create a new variation here. So we can actually tile it like we would a linear. So just like a linear, we have it tiled, and then we can change colors. And of course, we can also change the radiuses and the splits to begin with. Which you can see you can do some pretty cool things with. Like here, since I have the radius in negative, it actually added a inner circle, made the space, it filled the space of the other one. I'm going to reset this. Now if we wanted to actually fill in this hole, we can actually add a circle crop, use a negative radius, take this down to 0, and scatter, adjust it some. Now you see we can use the scatter to actually fill in the open space of the split part of it. Just a little bit, which might also be useful. But with just like anything else, play around with other variations, different ways of try new things, see what it can do, and I hope you have fun with it. Till next time, talk to you later. Bye.